Hello students, today we are going to learn the new topic of English grammar. The name of the topic is abstract noun. So today we are going to learn that what is abstract noun. A noun that describes a feeling or thought is called an abstract noun. Now in the previous class we have learned that what is noun. Noun means any person, place, animal or thing. Noun means when we are talking about any person, place, animal or thing. So here the abstract noun is going to talk about the feeling, thought or quality of any person, place, animal or thing. Now abstract noun, we cannot see the abstract noun. Only we can feel. We can feel or think. Whatever the feeling are there inside us and whatever the thoughts which come to our mind, they all are called as abstract noun. Now we will see some examples of abstract noun so that you will come to know that what is abstract noun. Wisdom keeps us safe. Now wisdom. What is wisdom? Wisdom is a quality. Wisdom is a quality of a person. Now we cannot see wisdom, we cannot touch them, but we can feel them. Okay? We can feel this quality. Wisdom is a quality. Second, anger is bad for the health. Now anger. Again anger is the quality. Angry. When you become angry, you are showing anger. So anger can be seen? No. Anger can be eaten? No. We can only feel it. We can only feel it. When our mummy is angry, we come to know, we can feel it that our mummy is angry with us. So abstract noun, can we see them? No. Can we touch them? No. We can only feel the abstract noun. Abstract noun shows us the quality or action of any person, any place, any animal or thing. What do the abstract noun do? Abstract noun only shows us the quality or action of a noun. Third one, bravery should be rewarded. Now bravery. Bravery is again an abstract noun. And it is the quality. Bravery means we should be very brave. We should never get afraid. Whatever the bravery, like if you save someone, if you save a life of a dog, if you save a life of a cat, if the dog is falling in the water and you save that dog, what quality you are showing? You are showing the quality of bravery, means without getting afraid of water, you have saved the dog. So you are brave. So what do the abstract noun shows us? Abstract noun can only tell us about the quality or action of any person, any place, any animal or anything. We cannot see or we cannot touch the abstract noun. Now, what this bear is trying to tell us? This bear is telling us that we cannot see abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be seen. Abstract noun cannot be touched. Abstract noun cannot be heard. We cannot hear abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be tasted. We cannot taste the abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be smelled. We cannot take the smell of abstract noun. Why? Because we can only feel them. We can only feel abstract noun. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we cannot hear them, we cannot taste them, and we cannot smell them. So students, what do the abstract noun tell us? The abstract noun tell us about the quality or action about a noun. Now what is noun? Noun means any person, place, animal or thing. So abstract noun cannot be touched or seen. We can only feel the abstract noun. So I hope so you all have understood this topic of abstract noun. Try to understand what is the difference between abstract noun and many different types of nouns. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till that time, complete all your studies and be safe at home. Thank you.